Good morning, friends. Hope all of you are safe at home. I pray for good health of all of us. I just want to discuss a few points that we should not be worried about the present situation. Our government is working day and night on the new strategies, new points, and we are quite hopeful to do better in the period to come after lockdown opens. It is for your information that FCI has much more than the required level of rice available with it. There is no dearth of food in the country. Rather, government has allowed to utilize surplus rice for making ethanol and using the same for making alcohol based sanitizer to be used for some time to come. Hence, there is no dearth of food in our country. Further, our government Ministry of Renewable Energy has invited applications for joint venture for making some components, 85%, almost 85% of which are being imported right now and which are used in most of the wind energy and solar energy plants. It is a commendable move. We should take benefit of the same. One more thing, our government has allowed for the manufacturing units to use old packaging material in case of packaged goods so that packaging material may not go waste, and it is applicable for those manufacturers who are supposed to mention the month and year of manufacture of a particular product on the packaging of certain items. Similarly, curbs have been introduced on opportunistic acquisitions being searched by China people. Rather, government is focusing on Make in India concept and working out on policies of easing norms for FDIs if they set up some plants in India under the Make in India concept. which will boost not only the revenue of our country but also the employment also. Also the employment will increase and new technologies will come in India which will give boost to the economy. So we should be hopeful that we will be in safer hands. We are in safer hands. And for your information, even IMF has projected positive growth in GDP for India, whereas they have projected negative growth for China, US, UK. It is a matter of pleasure for us that our growth will still be positive in the time to come. It is because of the good human resources, good human power, rather young human power available with our country. I will keep you updating. Rest assured, things will be all right in some time. Thanks.